From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with aches and pains from a subpar mattress? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the Master Massage Home Use Sleeping Mattress Top. This incredible product has taken the world of sleep and relaxation to a whole new level. With its innovative design and impressive features, it's no wonder it's a top-rated and best-selling product, with thousands of customers swearing by its effectiveness. One of the standout features of the Master Massage Home Use Sleeping Mattress Top is the array of accessories that come with it, including an aluminum adjustable main cradle, a 6-way adjustable aluminum face cushion cradle, and a memory foam crescent face cushion. The aluminum cradle is sturdy and smooth to the touch, while the memory foam face cushion is soft and contouring, providing the perfect support for your face and neck. The sound of the cradle adjusting is smooth and quiet, and the feel of the foam cushion is like resting on a cloud. But what really sets this product apart is the extra storage it provides, making it perfect for home use. The black nylon bag that comes with it is durable and easy to carry, allowing you to take your massage mattress top with you wherever you go. Whether you're using it at home or in a professional setting, this product is sure to impress. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and the consensus is clear: it's a must-have for anyone looking to take their sleep and relaxation to the next level. With its unbeatable combination of comfort, support, and convenience, I highly recommend giving the Master Massage Home Use Sleeping Mattress Top a try. Your body will thank you. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.